Hey, what's up, y'all? This Wise Will again. This pickup I got. So these are the playoff swells I got. They're retro. I just picked these up from the mall on Friday. My first time taking them out the box. So real quick, got the original box. Paid about $2.30 for these all together. So here they are, the dead stock. A piece of net right here. Still dead stock, never worn. Let's take a look at the other box, or other shoe rather. So these are ones I definitely, most likely will rock. I was thinking if I was gonna keep them or sell them, but those are the playoff 12s.